Hello lettering friend, I'm Sarah from Instant Insights. This is my hand lettering journal that I've been showing you a lot, and I have a challenge for November for you to join me because I realized I've been doing this journal lettering for a little bit longer than I actually thought. So I want to share it with you and challenge you to join me in creating your own hand lettering journal. So this is my Rhodia notebook, and this is going to be my new journal because I just completed my previous one. I'll have to do a flip through, but this is the one that I'm going to start with you. And I have this little cute image for the November challenge. If you want to join me, there's a prompt each week. You can letter every day, but I just wanted to give 4 prompts. And I just printed this on a 3x5 card so that I can glue it into my journal. Let me show you how I did that. First of all, you want to be a member of the lettering library. I will leave all the details to join that below. It's free. And then you click on the hand lettering journal challenge. You'll want to be in there because I give a lot more details on how it works. And then you click to download the image. And then I had to change the size in my printer. I pulled out the tray and I moved the little things to match this 3x5 size. And then when I was printing it on my computer, I changed the paper size to 3x5 and it came out perfectly. You could also just print it on a regular paper and then cut it out. And you don't have to print it out at all if you just want to look at the prompts. That's fine too. So all you need to join me is a journal, some pens, and the challenge. And you can see there is an optional section that if you want to join me, I'm going to be using the Pentel Touch brush pens for the entire month. And the style I'm going to be using is just the basic style. You can do what you want, but that's what I'm going to be doing. You can find the basic style in my hand lettering worksheets for beginners. These worksheets have recently been updated. It's also the basic style that's in my book, Hand Lettering for Beginners. And you don't need those worksheets, but if you want to really hone in on this style for the month with me, that's a good place to start. So I'm going to glue in my 3x5 card with the challenge here in my journal, and then I'm going to just letter the word November in a basic style, just getting started. And I will be lettering more than the 4 weeks. 2 of the prompts are questions that you can use for multiple days, and you can also just letter whatever you're feeling for the day. If you found a really cool quote, or if there's just been something on your mind you're trying to get out, the point is to letter what you need. And I did notice that there is some show through on these pages, so I don't know, we'll see. These pages are probably a little bit too thin, so that is something to consider when you're choosing a notebook. So I hope you'll join me in this challenge. I'm really excited. I love my hand lettering journal. It's a great way to improve your lettering with no pressure. So definitely sign up for the lettering library and check out more about that. And I'll be sharing more here on YouTube as well. So watch for new videos here. I will see you next time.